When it comes to building landing pages for your business, choosing the right software can be tricky. Leadpages and ConvertKit are two popular options, but which one is truly the best landing page software? By the end of this video, I'll give you a clearer picture of which tool can help you convert better and make your life easier. Let's start with Leadpages. This tool is widely known for its drag-and-drop builder, which makes creating landing pages fast and intuitive. It also has a massive library of templates, perfect if you're looking for quick results or you're just not a design expert. But while it's easy to use, Leadpages doesn't offer much flexibility if you want to customize beyond the templates. You might find yourself limited by its structure when it comes to advanced design features. Next thing, let's talk pricing. Leadpages offers two main pricing plans, Standard and Pro. The pricing can get pretty steep, especially if you want access to some of the more advanced features, like A/B testing or integration with other software tools. For small businesses, it might feel like you're paying for things you don't need, which can hurt your ROI. Then, let's move to ConvertKit. This software is known for its email marketing, but it also offers a solid landing page builder. One of ConvertKit's key selling points is its seamless integration with its email marketing features. It's perfect for businesses that need both landing pages and email campaigns to work in harmony. However, ConvertKit's landing page builder can feel a bit more basic compared to Leadpages. You won't get the same extensive template library, and customization is more limited. The fourth thing to consider is the ease of use. ConvertKit's landing page editor is simple, but the platform overall can feel more confusing compared to Leadpages. If you're just looking for a quick way to get started, Leadpages might be the better option. ConvertKit requires you to get into the nitty-gritty of email automation, which might be overwhelming if your primary goal is to build landing pages quickly. Now, let's talk about the features. Leadpages wins in this department. It has more advanced integrations, a huge template gallery, and some great conversion-focused features like pop-ups, alert bars, and LED magnets. If you're focused on conversions, Leadpages gives you more tools to test, optimize, and scale your landing page strategy. On the other hand, ConvertKit's simplicity is its strength if you're just getting started with email marketing and landing pages. But when it comes to getting more creative with your pages or scaling your business, ConvertKit's functionality might hold you back. The last point to keep in mind is customer support. Both Leadpages and ConvertKit offer customer service, but Leadpages seems to have more comprehensive resources like live chat and tutorials that cover a wider range of topics. ConvertKit offers support, but mostly through email or community forums, which can be a slower route if you're in a rush to get something fixed. So, in conclusion, both Leadpages and ConvertKit are solid choices, but they're designed for different kinds of users. Leadpages is great for businesses that need high-converting landing pages with plenty of design flexibility, while ConvertKit is perfect for those who are already invested in their email marketing platform and just need a simple landing page tool. However, after trying both of them myself, I have to say that there's a better alternative out there that could save you time, money, and effort. If you're looking for the best landing page software that offers superior customization and integration, I recommend checking out the first link in the description. With the exclusive free trial through our link, you'll get access to all the best features, and you won't be paying for anything you don't need.